I think I'm with the mic. Sorry, baby, mama told me come to T-Mac right now. It's because the niggas ain't safe. It's because the little high, cause you hurt. Got the bitch pussy on it like that. Better than me, I'm appreciate that. How you smile, it's my shit, tell you right. Think I'm somebody that she say that. I heard that I'm really like, but I'm crazy, so I said it's gonna be mine. I'm so sorry, girl, I think for this time, so sorry. Stairs at me now. My shit hit for real, it almost flip my mind. And I'm so on narcotics, like which one I got? I'm a whore, I go. You saying I'm anxious, avoiding, like what did I mean? I'm proud of the taking the noise. It's top of the morning, on top of the morning, said no one just stopped. And the travelers say like,
Alright, bet. Little outro to this fucking bullshit. It was a wild fucking night. Lots of goods, a little bit of bad. We live and we learn, but beyond repair, we gotta harness all the chaos. And we're gonna do another one. This shit gonna be a fucking vibe. I had a fucking good ass time. Sold some clothes, good tickets. Shit's a vibe, man. That's all I can fucking say. But until next time, got more videos coming out, vlogs, interviews, and more. But just watch the magic. That's what I can do to you. I'm done.